lalagay natin tong mic natin. I'm gonna put the mic inside the helmet and we will see how it performs, especially for the strong wind, like maybe 100 kilometers. So we'll check the quality. So let's do this. So just right here, the magnet there, just to keep it in place. Then we have the hole here for this, for like the Bluetooth communication speaker, right? So yeah, so let's try. How do I sound, Mike? Mic test 1, 2. Good day, guys. Good afternoon. It's a very sunny day today. It's perfect weather out there. So that's a 97 octane for our small baby. It's not a baby sport bike. It's a fetus. It's a fetus sport bike. It's not even reaching the baby bike category. So it's a perfect weather. Obviously I'm a perfect squid as well. See, I'm wearing shorts right now. So, but anyway, we're just going to the bypass road, just a couple of kilometers away, just to check the performance of the DJI Mic Mini. The simple, I guess this is one of the most simple helmet setup for your DJI Action 5. I mean, it's not bad. It's really cheap as well. I mean, it doesn't have an internal memory where you can record your audio. But if you're primarily using your Action 5 as like a dedicated vlogging camera, like mostly all the time, the DJI Mic Mini is the perfect one to pair with your Action 5. But like what you've seen on my unboxing video, I took the one mic and one transmitter bundle, which is like around how much is it? It's around 4,000 pesos. So it's just less than 80 US dollar. I'm not sure. I'm just gonna pop it here, the price. So it doesn't came with the charging case. So it just comes with a magnetic dock for charging the mic. But it lasts for like 11 hours. So I mean, who records for like long 11 hours, right? So for me personally, it's just perfect for me. So again, what a perfect weather. We're right here back in the Philippines. So I expect the excruciating heat, and especially the summer is coming, like 1 or 2 months away. So we're right here at the bypass road. This is just like a audio test, especially on a strong wind, maybe around 120 kilometers per hour. So we will see how it sounds like. So that's 100. That's 100 kilometers, and I don't know. How's the mic dealing with this wind noise? So I put the wind noise, what you call that one? I installed the wind blocker, that fluffy fur, and I'm confident that it will come out really good. Hit the U-turn here? No, I guess not. I guess no. We're clear. Buy buko juice. Let's go buy some couple of buko, fresh buko coconut. Saan ba nakakita ng buko? Basta ba ako? So nakasupot nga pala yun, baka mabutas, wala makakabili. Mamaya na lang ako bibili. So there you go, that's our quick test of our DJI Mic Mini for our helmet setup, paired with the Osmo Action 5. So I'm hoping right now, at this point, that the audio will be perfect. So I'll see you next time, next video. I don't know when will I be able to get another video, but I'll let you judge the quality of the audio that we just get from the Mic Mini. So here we go, we're back.